and Sophia. And we're at Cliff's.
Vincent's not here because he's lame.
And we had Amelia here.
He smells like boogers.
I got one of these really tight cats at the top.
Look at that.
Look at me.
Which I drank all of the other one.
I paid for 3 fills.
Oh, it's just a
Okay, the next time we need a refill, I know how we can get one for free.
for free?
Yeah.
How?
I'll take it to the bathroom. I'm kidding. I wouldn't drink that if I were you. What? What you looking at?
Let's go on the waterfall again.
A waterfall? What? Oh, the fireball.
He doesn't like it.
I know, I saw his. Oh, look what I want. Oh, a little field one.
I spawned this for Alex with her money.
Wait, and then I get you a minion with my money. Remember? What did you get me? The soda? Is that it? Burping contest. Scene 1.
I won!
No, I'm going.
Are you? Psh, I don't need to drink that. That worked.
That's cute.
We're waiting for you.
That was cute. Oh, your turn. I'm not gonna do it. Well, I guess I lose. I think Kyle won though.
Really?
I came last.
Challenge accepted. Oh wait, no, she has to say that. So wait.
Wait,
It's funny because when I least expect it, I have these big burgers, and when I want them, like. Oh, wait.
okay. You want to go try it, Kyle?
Another round. Round 2. Kyle can have some really major burps.
Nope.
No, that was just a fail. Oh, okay. Okay, I think some food came up with that one. I'm just kidding. Okay, yeah.
No, it didn't work.
Okay, your turn. Fine, you want me to go? It was funny because like, it like came out of your mouth.
Where did you come from?
I can't do it.
The thing is, I can't do it if I drink something. I can't.
That's so not.
It has to be without a care package.
I know, what are you doing here?
Are we going on the rattler again?
Should we?
Do you want
It
to?
depends on the line.
What?
He doesn't like heights.
That's what Yvonne was saying. That's what Yvonne was saying. He was like, yeah, on the cliff right here. He was on the top. No, Yvonne, no.
Yvonne, drop your hands.
And then, like after we started, I'm like, yeah, because he would have gotten mad, or he would have gotten mad.
Yvonne, put your hands down right now.
Yvonne, no, put your hands there.
Well, we're being boring right now.
He did that too. No, we're not. Beautiful.
What?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Should we go get ourselves
I
another vehicle
I
first?
wish we could just like videotape it during the.
No, that would be so
Should we try? Like hold it
They're
out.
not gonna let us. It's dangerous.
If you take it out of your pocket
Ow!
after
That did not hurt me. That hurt my tablet. Ow.
Okay, here we go. Let me try.
Alex dropped you guys.
Alex.
was that? It didn't even come out. Ooh, no, don't burp.
Stay focused.
You gonna throw up? This is don't burp.
Hey, good job! I could actually be paid for a very effective cameraman. In a world where burping is the most important.
I'm just usually like. I'm usually like.
In a world,
I don't
burping
know.
is the only source of income you have.
It just kind of comes to
One
me
lady must
later.
learn how to burp to support her entire family of 17 children.
17 children.
Yes.
Gosh, Alex, where'd you do that from?
She
Such a
adopted
machine.
kids. Where's the father?
She adopted kids.
Where's my husband?
Adopted.
They all came out.
She adopted. She adopted from the womb.
Wait. No! You're gonna break it.
In a world where two girls are fighting over a large drink, one girl is going to drink all the rest.
Ew, you little nasty. Here you go, Kyle.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go through.
Oh, commercial time. Do you like Dr. Pepper? You know, it's like one of those super majestic commercials where there's a person drinking the water with a sunset behind them.
And everything just kind of goes, oh, great.
Are we signing
Do
off?
you like drinking Dr. Pepper?
Do you like drinking Dr. Pepper?
That's what you get. You're supposed to drink it like this.
Cow's turn.
Sure.
Cow's turn. Bring close up on my face.
It just reminded me of something, Kyle. Kyle, don't think of it in the wrong way, but. Wait, I gotta. In a world where a young lady I can't do that voice.
In a world where young women like to choke when they're drinking Dr. Pepper. In a world where one girl likes to drink Dr. Pepper, another girl is gonna come and steal the spotlight out from right beneath her. Smelly. There you go.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. Are we signing off?
Okay,
Alright.
signing off.
Signing
It's been
off.
a beautiful episode with you today. It's been beautiful. Thank you. Oh yeah, just so you know, we're at Cliffs. And there's a sign here, Kyle. Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Wait, bring it back.
what?
Cliffs, as you can tell. And yeah, we're just, yeah, okay.
Bye.